Our project deals with cloud computing security from single to multi-clouds, done by Anupriya Kirtika Vaishnavi from Vailtech University. Cloud computing has changed the way we think about technology. The use of cloud computing is increased rapidly in many organizations. Benefit of cloud computing are low cost and data accessibility. Users often store their sensitive information in the cloud, but they can be untrusted. The major concern of cloud computing is security. The movement towards multi-clouds gives us the possible solution for the issues in the single cloud. Firstly, I am going to explain you the home page and their modules. Here we have logins for client, provider and owner. The logins offer authentication purposes. When we enter the client login, we will be provided with a page which contains username and password. If you are already a member, you can sign in directly. In case new user, you have to create an account. Once you register, you will be given username and password. As a client, you can log in and upload your files. On the upload page, you will be shown file ID and username. You have to enter file name and select a server on which the file should be uploaded. Finally, you should give the path where the file should be uploaded and then click the upload button. After giving the upload button, we are directed towards the next page which contains username, file name and size of the file which we have uploaded. We have got 3 servers which displays the path where the files are stored and also random keys are generated for each server. After all the pathways and the keys are generated, click the upload button of the page. On the next page, you will get a message that your file is inserted successfully. The username and password for the cloud owner is given. The function of the owner is to authenticate the files uploaded by the client. Once the file is uploaded, it goes under verification. If only the uploaded file is authenticated, the status is given as yes, else the status will be no. You can change your password as per your need and update it. Now, moving to the provider, the username and password for the provider login is entered. When the provider enters the login, user file shows the verified files. Provider acts as the intermediate between the user and the owner. In provider, you will find the files that should be verified. The links in all the 3 servers should contain the same path, else there will be failure in verification of these files. In provider, you can also change your password as per your need and update it. Now, the username and password for the client login is entered. The encrypted keys are generated for each servers. The links in all the 3 servers should contain the correct path. Now, we have to verify the files from each servers. You will get a message that the file is being verified successfully. And if there is any change in the link, then there will be failure in verification. We have to check the link and verify the file. The cloud user can able to download the file over here. Hence, we conclude that the migration to multi-cloud due to its ability to decrease the security risk that affect the cloud computing user. Thank you for watching this video.